What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Our Life in ADHD. DQ has just recently released their new Drumstick Blizzard. There's a new Blizzard of the month for the month of July. So without further ado, we're just gonna dive in.
Dang, you ain't even talk to the people. You just want to go in. Let's go in.
I don't want my ice cream.
You ain't even trying to what's in the ice cream. It's Nestle brand Drumstick Ice Cream.
My ice cream melted.
And it's vanilla ice cream with chocolate covered waffle cone and peanuts.
That's it?
That's it. That's all it is. A mature ice cream. Definitely drumstick vibes. I meant taste. It's my vibes. Taste.
The peanuts give you a peanut butter flavor.
It definitely does.
Kind of like Reese's.
Reese's?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's peanuts.
Yeah, I think it's similar. To me, it's similar to their Reese's Blizzard.
Ooh, that waffle cone. A1. That waffle cone good.
It's supposed to be similar to the Drumstick. Just in case y'all don't know, why is it called a Drumstick Blizzard? It's supposed to be similar to the Drumstick ice cream cone that they sell in the stores. Yeah,
that's why it's called a drumstick. Yeah,
I'm just letting them know. They don't know.
Oh, y'all don't know what a drumstick look like? Yeah, let me tell you. So you get your waffle cone, right? You got your waffle cone with ice cream and vanilla ice cream inside your waffle cone, okay? And it's dipped in chocolate. So it's kind of like a dip cone, waffle cone with peanuts on top of it. That's the drumstick.
You used to eat those?
Mm-hmm. My mom used to buy those things. They used to be good. They are good, rather. Not used to be, they are good.
I like simple, like ice cream from the stores. Ice cream sandwiches, you know, simple stuff.
That's not simple. Ice cream sandwich is not simple.
No, it's just two chocolate little waffle things with vanilla in the middle. That's it. It's simple.
Well, you add the peanut, it gives that a little more, like, crunchiness. This is really good, y'all. It tastes exactly like that.
It does?
Yeah.
I never had it.
It tastes exactly like it.
Feel like a Reese's.
The only difference is, you know, your waffle doesn't have chocolate on it. But what Dairy Queen did was put the chocolate around the waffle. It's kind of like a waffle, a chocolate covered
like
waffle
a Nutty
pieces.
Buddy.
Nutty Buddy?
That's what it tastes like.
No, it don't.
Yes, it do. It's like crunched up Nutty Buddies inside of the ice cream.
Not.
Yes, it do. A Nutty Buddy?
No.
Like a crunched up Nutty Buddy. Take my word. Y'all let me know when y'all try it. Put a comment below and let me know if it tastes like the Nutty Buddy. Y'all know Nutty Buddy bars.
It don't, y'all.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Nutty Buddy. No, Dion. Do you know what Nutty Buddy is?
Obviously.
This doesn't taste like a Nutty Buddy. It just tastes like a waffle cone.
Nutty
Any
Buddy
ice cream spot y'all go to, you got Cold Stones, you got Baskin Robbins, you got Brewster's, you have, you know, any ice cream shop, you get you got Ben & Jerry. Get your waffle with some vanilla ice cream inside, some chocolate pieces and peanuts. This is it. The drumstick.
Still like a crunch on Nutty Buddy.
Maybe I just don't know what a Nutty Buddy is. But this don't sound like a Nutty Buddy. Not to me.
Who do you think got the best ice cream? You think DQ got the best ice cream?
Ben & Jerry got the best ice cream. Haagen-Dazs got the best ice cream.
Haagen-Dazs got a storefront?
They got like kiosks. I don't know. Yeah, they do got a storefront. They do.
I think my favorite part of this is the peanuts.
Mine is the crunchy. My favorite part is the crunchy waffle cones with chocolate covering it. This is my favorite part.
It's not the best one we've had though from DQ.
What's the best one you had?
The Oreo cheesecake.
It's definitely better than the pinata we had. I don't know, this is giving me a different vibe. It's like almost like a mature like ice cream. You know how you have your kids or your little cousins or somebody and y'all go get ice cream and they want all the fruity flavorful ones, and then you got this adult one that's just simple vanilla waffle cones, peanuts,
so any adult that watch this, they're like fruity Ice cream,
I didn't say fruity.
Or ice cream with treats with gummy bears and stuff. They're not mature.
No, I'm not saying they're not mature. I'm just saying that's not like a simplicity taste. Like this is just simple. If I had some caramel, warm caramel.
If it's more than 2 ingredients.
Y'all, if I had some warm caramel added to this,
Yeah, ice cream no milk.
No, you know. Yeah, you don't had. No, I don't know.
On a brownie.
No. Who know what I'm talking about? Get you some warm caramel, put on top of your ice cream. A1.
10 out of 10 though.
It's definitely a 10 out of 10. This is really good. And I just love when I get everything in my mouth at once. I like the pieces in here. Nestle Drumstick Blizzard. It's a must try.
You done yet? So
Almost.
So
okay,
we can tell them we're gonna see them next time because you just eating. And I'm done.
I can't help that you swallowed that.
You just
I'm
trying to savor. You trying to
savor it and enjoying it. That's what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that like button and also the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload a video.
It sound like you still he's still eating.
Y'all, my mouth is so watery from that delicious Blizzard. Whew.
I should have ended the video.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
See y'all next time.